We are sorry to interrupt your program on this Mushroom Kingdom channel. The following is an emergency alert system broadcast. This is not a test. Important information will follow. The Super Mario World Police has issued an Amber Alert for the entire Super Mario World beginning at 6:30 a.m. Mushroom Daylight Time and is effective until further notice. The victim has been identified as Princess Peach, the leader of the Mushroom Kingdom. She was wearing her royal pink dress and was last seen half a mile south of the castle, walking with Mario, when the Mushroom Kingdom castle was attacked by several of Bowser's Koopa Troopas. According to eyewitnesses, Mario raced towards the castle, leaving Peach by herself, and during that time, she was kidnapped. The suspect has been identified as Bowser Jr., and it is very likely he has a safe house somewhere, and was last seen heading east towards the flames. If you have any information, please contact either Mario, Luigi, or Yoshi immediately.